Hands down, my favorite type of habitat is the marsh. I love its remoteness, its wildness. In my opinion, it's best experienced in the dark, before dawn, when the denizens of this crazy wild place are most active, when you can hear the soras and the rails, when bitterns may be found. But humans have not taken to marshes. As a matter of fact, they've mostly tried to take over marshes, to subdue them in their inhospitable nature, to fill them in and take them over. And I think in part that has happened because of the story that we hear here in Genesis, where we hear God saying to the humans to have dominion. And we read it as having dominion over the earth, over the creatures of the earth. But I would suggest that that's an inferior translation. That word over, most other places in the Hebrew Bible, is translated as with. How different is the story if we read that we are to have dominion with the birds of the air and the creatures of the land and the fish of the sea, that we're a part of this creation and together we're responsible for it. How would we treat the earth differently if that were the case? If that were the way we truly believe that our God wanted us to act?